Click on the customers at the left side of your screen. Select the customer that you want to change the shipping address. Beside the details section on the right, tap on the pencil icon. Then scroll down until you see the shipping details. And you can start to change your customer shipping address like here. You can also make the shipping address the same as the billing address. To do that, you can scroll up for a bit and update your billing details. After that, do a check mark on same as billing details. And there you go. Or you can also make it different from the billing. Either way, after you do some changes, hit on the update button over here and you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.